Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to this demo in which we are going to show you how you get connected to the SAP and using Microsoft Excel VBA and SAP GUI scripting together. You can do enormous things and many powerful automations. And it's a platform, it's an idea, it's a concept which is being shared for the Excel lovers, those who use the Excel and they want to use their skills in Excel for better automation and saving the time and bring up and improving the accuracy of their day-to-day reporting and the process SAP process automation. Okay, so the first thing we do is the login. When you click the login, it takes you to the Microsoft. It takes you to the SAP, and you get login, right? And if and then you have these menu for the modules, SAP modules. There are different modules which are listed. As soon as you add anything in the index, a new thing, so that can automatically be published here. It can become part of the system. You don't have to do anything extra, right? So all you need to do is you go to the index sheet in which your modules are listed. If you, for example, add something, for example, a new scenario like SCN for your supply chain, maybe. Okay, just this is an example. This is just okay, and here you give some object, and you say SQVI, for example. Yeah, so this is the T code which you want to give, and that's it. So when you get back to the start sheet, right, and you select it, right? So you see the SCN is appearing here, and in the description you have the test. And as soon as you select the test, the T code comes, right? So that was just to show you how you use this simplest tool. This is a concept, and you can keep on improving on it. You can evolve it as per your customized requirements, and this is how it works, right? All you need to do is select the for example, you go to the SD. In the SD, this is sales and distribution, and this is the sales order report, for example, right? And that is VA05, and that's it. So all you need to do is click execute. So this is going to take you to the end. This is executing the VA05, and it is going to run the sale order report for you. Listing of not only that, it will download it into the Excel for you as well. Okay, once it settles down, then you will be prompted in the Excel that you are done. Let's close it, and we say log off. Okay, and in the Excel you will be prompted with the OK button, right? It is now converting that download is automatically into a proper tabulated format, which you can use for your analytics after the downloads, right? We log on first of all. This is login. Okay, soon after login, you will see the initial menu, the separate screen. It's now getting ready for you. It will take you to the place from where you start executing the T code commands, right? Okay, the next thing you do is you select a report, for example, group key, building, right? Let's remove all these for the moment. You don't need any of these things, and you execute it. Okay, so this is a group key binding. Okay, let's see. So it is going to SE38. It's editing it's the VBA. Now let's take this report, that is filter operation example. Okay, filter operator example. Okay, this is SE38 object for the SED module, sales and distribution module. Okay, so it wants you that you got to log in first. Okay, let's log in. It's soon after login, you will see this SAP ready access menu. Yeah, easy access, right? SAP easy access. It means now you can proceed to execution of this T code, right? So it's going to SE38, it's opening the object, it is now executing it. So this is how it means. This is SD report, okay, company code and network, etc. Network means value, the line item values for sale order. These are being added. Okay. So this is the report which has been created. using the SE38 program. Okay, this is ABAP program written in the SE38, and it is executed using the SE38. Right. So if you get back to this, you can do more things in this within the same thing. The next we change the module, for example, from say there are some common module also we have, yeah, common tricks means which are from the cross-functional uh, objects like this. Okay, so this is the local interface in SAP. Let's execute it. So this is SE38 object which is being created, opened, and it is going to be activated later on and then executed. So this is a simple illustration of interfaces in which it writes all these information which are written into the code, right? That's it. So this how you use and it has also downloaded if the output of the, as you can see, and it is downloaded and it is shown in the download sheet, and process is complete, and then you can proceed to the start to do more jobs, right? Let's change the module again, and let's go to basis, for example. I don't know if there are some objects, so if there are some say PP, we can use the PP mode or FI mode, right? Let's go to FI mode. FI mode. Okay, in FI you have so many things, right? So let's choose the vendor business report, okay, and execute it. Now it's going to execute this report for you, and you will see it's being shown in here, and now it is downloading it into the Excel. And it will take the result into the download sheet. You can see it, yeah. So both of the means the complete thing has been downloaded. You can see this. Okay. This is the currency, and right. So you can do the certain modification so that the thing comes properly in a tabulated form. So that can be done. Okay. So let's get back to the other sheet, other module, for example, PP module. Okay, go to PP, and this is the work center information. Okay, and we execute it. You see, it's going to the T code. It's executing the T code work center information, and it is downloading, bringing it into the Excel, and closing all these things to the initial value menu. Yeah, it reaches to every time it reaches to the initial value, and here you get this message that process is complete. So it has downloaded all the information. Then you can parse this thing into the proper table format. That can also be automated, but we have just shown you that we have built up the structure on which you can further make customization and do the fine tuning and do the rest of the job of your own. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.